everybody. Welcome back, Diamond Squad. How are you guys doing? I am Diamond Rose. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and comment down below and turn on the notification bell. Now, with this first job I have on this video, uh, two jobs that I have for this video is from Sysazzle Incorporated, and the job role for this job, this company will be a document specialist. It's a remote position. And this is an entry-level job position, you guys, entry-level job position. And it's $35 an hour. It's a full-time job, contract job, and it's 100% remote. Now, the full job description for this job, these are the duties. This is a 12-week engagement to analyze data and the rules that are applied to access based on job title or core. Work with the teams to access it if they need to make changes to applications based on responses from HR on how job functions are changing. Document all of the current items and any changes. Skills you'll need for this job as a document specialist is attention to detail, improving process efficiency, and updating and maintaining process documentation. Diagnosing and resolving issues, education 0 to 3 years of analyst work. Required skills, documentation, process documentation, job types of full-time job and a contract position for this position, which is to become a document specialist. And this is a scheduling of 8-hour shift, Monday to Friday, and they're hiring for one candidate for this role. And it's priority hiring, you guys. It is posted this today on this Saturday, and go ahead and jump into it. Now, my second job that I have for this video is a remote inbound call center representative for SP Data Digital, based in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's a remote position, and it pays $17 an hour. It's a full-time job, and they have paid training. Now, the full job description for this job goes as who we are. We are SP Data Digital, and we like to shake things up. We promote great culture and embrace a team of entrepreneurs that think outside the box and challenge the status quo. We work hard and encourage innovation. We are the customer service source for our partners, and we provide support for some of the industry's leaders in telecom, finance, technology, and security. What we offer: 2 weeks of fully paid training, an hourly base wage of $17 per hour for English speaking associates, $19 per hour for bilingual Spanish speaking associates, and bonuses. Full time position, 40 hours per week. Opportunity for growth and development. Employers sponsored benefits. The job: as an inbound warranty sales associate, you will interact with customers who have recently purchased an appliance and are looking to add an extended warranty. You'll be answering incoming calls, building rapport, and creating a great customer experience by asking probing questions, and actively listening to the customer's requests. Presenting products and services based on the customer's needs and handling objections by explaining how the services and products will benefit them. Developing relationship with customers, using active listening to empathize, provide solutions, and partner with customers on a resolution. Do you have experience working in a sales environment? Are you ambitious, outgoing, and an outstanding communicator? Do you want to work for a company that has a phenomenal culture and a fun working environment? We want you on our team. You'll be a great fit if you are exceptional communicator with both verbal and written communication skills, allowing you to communicate ideas in a clear and concise manner. Empathetic person with the ability to relate to various personalities and age groups and foster fast relationships with customers, so sales become easy. Intellectual with a deep understanding of computers and an ability to learn and navigate new software using multiple platforms at a time. Problem solver, using past experiences and your creative brain to craft solutions that make sense for our client and the customer. Self-motivated and can complete multiple tasks at a time with ease. Eager with a willingness and desire to receive coaching and mentorship. Now this company, SP Data Digital, is an equal opportunity employer. We believe that diversity is integral to our success and do not discriminate based on race, color, religion, age, or any other basis protected by law. And this got posted one day ago, you guys. Jump on that job and just go ahead and pass the word along if you don't want to apply for it. But it's okay to get a piece of that work pie if you already got a job. And if you need a secondary job, this would be a perfect job too as well. If you can handle both and juggle both, that would be perfect. Now I'm going with the third job, which is Harris Computer Systems. The name's called is Harris Company Systems, excuse me. And the job role for this job is Technical Support Specialist Tier 1. And the pay for this job, you guys, is $17 an hour. And these are entry level positions. All three of these jobs that I'm presenting to you right now in this video. $17 per hour full time, and it's 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, employee assistance program, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. And they go briefly about the job in these paragraphs. What your impact will be: assistant in migrating documentation to the client knowledge base, take support related telephone calls, create support tickets in the ticketing system with the goal of accurate documentation, follow Tier 1 troubleshooting, tasks through to completion, and document services provided, increasing the knowledge base of all support. Collaborate with other members of support on assessing training needs for Tier 1 support positions. What we are looking for: demonstrating track record of working effectively with a collaborative and cohesive team-based environment. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, outstanding customer service and organizational skills, exceptional analytical troubleshooting and problem-solving skills, positive results oriented mindset. Ability to multitask effectively and consistently, meet assigned deadlines. Self-starter with the ability to work well independently and in groups. Advanced computer knowledge, literacy, including knowledge of Microsoft Office products and SQL is desired. What we can offer: 3 weeks vacation and 5 personal days. Comprehensive medical, dental, and vision paid 100% by Harris starting from your first day of employment. Employment stock ownership, NRRSP, 401k, matching programs, lifestyle rewards, remote work, and more. And this is about the company. It goes into depth about in 1997, Partner Software began selling its map viewer. Our first customer, Greystone Power Corporation, also became our co-developer for stacking, excuse me, staking partner. The the initial field tool operating within our unified map viewer. So these are all the benefits for this job. Once again, you guys, and it's $17 per hour, and it's Monday through Friday. It's a work from home position, and they're hiring for one candidate for this role, and it's a priority hiring, and they just posted this today. So I will place this in the job description in the um, below this video in this channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Those are the 2 jobs that I have lined up for you guys, and I hope you guys go ahead and apply and get into it, you guys. Have a great day. Well, 3 jobs, not 2, 3. And I hope you guys apply, get a piece of that work pie, keep on sparkling, keep on shining, and you got this. Don't let anybody deter you. Not even don't even deter yourself. You got this, guys. You got it. You got it. You got it. Whenever you see that door closing, please try to go ahead and keep that door open for opportunities, you guys. Positive opportunities. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day.